That's Guy. Have you ever heard of the African goddess that could shapeshift, control the rain, and even bless the land with food? Let me introduce you to Unomkhubulwane, one of the most important deities in the Zulu culture. Mamamas, Salapansi Wotumukche, Unomkhubulwane, which means she who chooses state of being, is a Zulu goddess of rain, agriculture, fertility, and nature. She's not just a myth. She's the symbol of deep respect our ancestors had for nature and womanhood. Nomkhubulwane was said to have power to shapeshift to any form she desired, from an animal to a cloud. And when people needed rain for their crops, they would call on her, sing to her, and hold special ceremonies because they believed she could bring water from the heavens. But she was also a goddess of farming. When crops grew well, it meant Nomkhubulwane was pleased. When there was drought or famine, elders believed people had disrespected nature or forgot to honor her. Nomkhubulwane also represented the strength and power of women. She was a protector of young girls. Some stories say she would visit them and teach them about womanhood and the sacredness of life. Today, her name may not be as well known as the Greek or Roman gods, but Nomkhubulwane is still honored by the Zulu communities. Her story reminds us to respect nature, honor our elders, and understand the spiritual power women hold. Next time when you hear thunder, see rainfall, or a field of maize growing strong, remember the spirit of Nomkhubulwane is watching over the land.
For 6 September, kuzobe kuwumkhosi kaMnomkhubelwane eMbumbulu, endaweni etholeni eMbumbulu, amakhaya, esitobheni samakhaya.
Siyajubeleza. Iyona indlela le. Intombi zeqiniso yizo ke lezi nizibonayo. Masikhuluma ngeintombi. Intombi zakwaZulu. Yizo ke lezi intombi. Intombi ehamba umhlanga, intombi nto. Ya. Nazo phambili ngobutshitshine siphambili. Phambili. Yeah.
Uyale